A digital USB microscope is a lightweight, compact, and portable tool that helps you learn and analyze small objects or structures across various settings. There are many products available to choose digital USB microscopes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best digital USB microscopes from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Eleclive Microscope. If you are on a budget and want something affordable, then you should check out Eleclive and its digital USB microscope offerings, since they are quite cheap but still offer various features. Because of its low price tag, it is a great option for buyers on a budget. Although the lower price tag does mean that you get a small display size of just 4.3 inches. Fortunately, it still offers a pretty decent zoom rating of up to 1000x, which has been made possible thanks to its VGA camera. In fact, unlike what you would expect from such an entry-level offering, this one even offers a 1-year warranty to the user. Affordable digital USB microscope, great zoom rating, decent warranty period for the price. Number 2. Celestron LCD Digital Microscope. Celestron is a brand of digital USB microscopes that is a bit on the premium side, as most of its offerings, including this one, are designed for heavy-duty and professional usage. While it may be quite powerful in terms of its magnification, you only get a tiny screen size of just 3.5 inch. Talking about its camera, you do get a decent 5MP camera in this digital USB microscope. Thanks to this camera and the high-quality optics used by it, it is able to offer a very high zoom range of up to 1600x to the user. Apart from being quite powerful, this digital USB microscope is also the most reliable one mentioned here thanks to its 2-year warranty. Excellent zoom performance, highly reliable and durable, includes a carrying bag and a memory card. Number 3. 7 Digital USB Microscope. The Xglife's digital USB microscope has completely changed how I explore the world. It's an amazing device. The camera and clear resolution help me see tiny things very well. The 7-inch LCD screen provides a convenient and immersive viewing experience, making my observations a joy. Adjusting the angle and height is easy, ensuring maximum comfort during my exploration sessions. The 10 LED lights on both sides are extremely helpful. They give right amount of brightness to show all the little details. By connecting the microscope to computer using a USB, I've discovered endless possibilities. It's now so simple for me to capture amazing high-definition videos and pictures. I can even save my favorite moments directly and an SD card for future reference. Thanks to its built-in rechargeable battery, I can take this microscope with me wherever I go. I can explore for 4-5 hours without any interruptions. From circuit board testing to educational adventures, it has become my needed tool. Its versatility makes it an ideal gift for curious minds of all ages. Trust me, the Xglife's 7 digital USB microscope is a game changer. Number 4. 7-inch LCD Digital USB Microscope Angle Adjustable. Coolertron and its digital USB microscope offering can be a viable option for many who want a high-performance unit with handy features. As this microscope from Coolertron is a USB 1, it can record on your computer or display the view on its inbuilt display. Speaking of the display, you get a fairly large screen size of 7 inches with it. Thanks to the included screen size, you can use it to easily watch the high-quality 9020x 1080 video feed from its 12MP camera. Unfortunately, just like the previous digital USB microscope, this one also has a very poor zoom rating of up to 200x to the user. However, this one from Coolertron does offer a 1-year warranty, making it quite reliable and durable. Number 5. Digital Microscope with 7 LCD Screen. The Leipan MS1 digital microscope has completely changed my exploration of the tiny world. It's amazing. The 7 LCD screen provides a wide field of view, making it easier for me to observe and analyze samples. I really like that can adjust the screen to get the best view from any angle. It helps me see all the tiny details I want to capture. One of the standout features is the HDMI and USB output options. I can connect the microscope to my TV or computer and see specimens in real time with amazing clarity. The zoom feature of 2x1e500x is great for getting a very close look at tiny things. I'm amazed by the amount of detail that I can see with this microscope. It's so good that I've even used it to examine coins and see all the tiny features up close. The image and video quality are top-notch, thanks to the 12 MP OOD image sensor. I can take awesome pictures and videos right away with this microscope. Plus, it comes with a big 32 GB memory card, so I can save lots of pictures and videos of what I see. The Leipan MS1 digital microscope is super easy to use with Windows, Mac, and even tvs. It works perfectly with all of them. It's a versatile tool that has expanded my understanding of the microscopic things. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.